In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings and choose connections. Now tap on Bluetooth on the left and activate it thanks to the switcher at the top right corner. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Now, choose pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or accept it manually on a second device. Either way, as you can see after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Quick tip. To manage all paired devices, click on gear icon next to the chosen one and use all of those options, like connect or unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!